Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your phone has NFC and the toggle is on. Once done, open the NFC service app and grant required permissions so background reads work. This avoids interruptions. Next, prepare the target tag or card. If it's reused, wipe or format it with the app. Place the tag near the device's NFC area, usually on the back, about 2-4 cm away. Begin the first write or read action now. You'll know it's detected when the app beeps or shows a confirmation. Once detection is confirmed, you configure the payload. Select the record type, URL for links, NDEF text for notes, or MIME for app-specific data, because the reader behavior depends on it. Then set access controls. Decide whether to lock the tag permanently, set read-only temporarily, or leave it writable for later edits. Make this decision now because locking cannot be undone. If writing many tags, switch to batch mode and write sequentially, verifying each write by reading back the tag to confirm integrity and correct content. To finish, perform a final read to verify the payload and confirm permission settings. Test the tag on the devices that will use it. If everything is correct and the tag should not change, lock it now and record the tag ID and purpose for your inventory. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Check the phone's NFC antenna area and proximity, ensure the battery isn't low, and reopen app permissions. Often a failed write is due to distance, low power, or missing permission. Retry after fixing those.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.